Hi guys, welcome to Siva Banking and Current Affairs Academy. In this video, I will explain an important new coding pattern in reasoning ability subject. Friends, in mains examination, IBPS clerk, IBPS PO, SBI clerk, SBI PO, whatever the exam it is, in mains point of view, new coding pattern very important. If you find a simple logic, you will definitely score 5 marks in mains examination. This is very useful and decide your exam. So let's we start. Money finance support. So this is the coding type. Here money finance support is written as 19 percentage N, 19.5 percentage O, 5.5 percentage N. Friends, this is the coding for money finance support. Money finance support code is 19 percentage N, 19.5 percentage O, 5.5 percentage N. Friends, this is the coding. If we find code for money separately, finance separately and support separately, so this is just difficult. How you can find out? In the same way, internet quality picture is written as 14.5 at the rate N, 10.5 percentage U, 21 percentage I. And in the same way, hacked Google Digital is written as 8 percentage T, 6 at the rate G and 6 at the rate K. These are the words and related coding. Friends, in this coding format, first we will clearly observe one number and symbol and letter. How we can find these three? Please note this: number, symbol and letter. First we will find symbol. First we will find symbol. So symbol is, in first sentence, money finance support, symbol is same, percentage, percentage, percentage. In second sentence, at the rate, percentage, percentage. And in third sentence, percentage, at the rate, at the rate. In this only we will find only two symbols, that is percentage and at the rate. In this situation, please note, in this situation only two symbols in a coding. Please remember the logic. We will count total number of letters in a word first. First one is total number of letters in a word, and second logic behind this two symbols is the word is starting with vowel or consonant. These two factors decides your symbol status in a coding format. Please, first we will follow the first one, number of letters based. So number of letters, money, in which total 5 letters, money 5 letters, MONEY, and finance, 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 in which total 7 letters, and support, support is also 7 letter word. Friends, please observe here the total number of letters in money 5, money 5, finance 7 and support 7. Here we will find a same pattern. So all are odd numbers, all are odd numbers. So for odd numbers the symbol is percentage, the symbol is percentage. Easy to remember. Money 5 letters, finance 7 letters, support is also 7 letters. We will observe commonly as all are odd numbers. Here in this coding also 3 symbols are percentage. So for odd number of letters word the symbol is percentage. And another one is easy to find. For even numbers, if the number of letters in a word is even, the symbol is at the rate. If you will find one symbol, another one is very easy to find. Let's see with this an example. Picture, PICTURU, it is a 7 letter. And quality, QUALITY, 7 letters. And internet, internet 8 letters. So internet is a 8 letters. So in this coding 2 percentage 1 at the rate. So the code of internet is 14.5 at the rate n. So 8 letter word and symbol is at the rate. So easy. By using this word we will find the total coding of a word. Please note this. Internet, the code of internet is 14.5 at the rate n. Friends, just now we will find out the symbol. If the number of letters is odd, that is percentage. If the number of letters is even, we will decide at the rate as a symbol. In case of number, the logic behind this is we will observe decimal point. Internet. So please note this. The place value of a first letter plus the place value of a last letter divided by 2. Please note this point. The finding of number in a coding in this logic is place value of a first letter plus place value of a last letter divided by 2. The place value of a I is 9. And the place value of a T is 20. How you will decide the place value of I is 9 is A 1, B 2, C 3, like Z is 26. Like this we will decide the place value of a letter. So I is 9 and T is 20. So 9 plus 20 equal to 29 divided by 2, that is 14.5. So the code for internet is 14.5 at the rate n. So 14.5 at the rate n is the code of internet. Okay, this is the technique behind this coding. And in the same way we will find out the letter in a coding. In internet we will find the word n. It is the letter of internet from last third letter. third letter from last. Internet, T is first letter, E is second letter, N is third letter from last. Okay, N is third last letter of a word is code. Please note this. So this is the logic, and we will try the same word also. Next, in case of percentage, we will take another example. Digital, the code of digital is, we will find here, code of digital is 8% T. Why? Because is T, the third last letter of digital word is L is first letter, A is second letter, T is third letter. Third letter from last is T. So that's why I directly note the code for digital is 8% T. And the number of letters in this word is DIGITAL. Total number of letters is 7. 7 is a odd number. In this case the code is percentage. In case even, the symbol is @ and in case of a number, the place value of D is 4 and L is 12. 4 plus 12 is 16 divided by 2 equal to 8. We will get the number. So please note this. And one more word, money, MONEY, money. The code for money is 19% N. How you will decide the last third letter of word is N? This is N. And percentage, total 5 letter word, so 5 is a odd letter, so we will decide the symbol is percentage. And number 19 is, the place value of a M is 13 and place value of Y is 25. We will add first letter place value plus last letter place value. 13 plus 25 equal to 38 divided by 2 equal to 19. So 19% N is the code for money. So friends, this is the technique in finding coding pattern in reasoning ability point of view. Friends, please remember this logic. This is very helpful in mains examination. So friends, thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.